we're going to do the Les Mills Pump Challenge. Your first week is going to be an easy week. Basically, the schedule, I'm going to tell you what the schedule is really quickly. Your first week, you got Pump Challenge. It's a 20-minute workout, and then you have a rest day, and then you have Pump Challenge again. And then on day 4, you have Flow, which is kind of like a yoga stretching DVD, and a 45-minute walk is also scheduled. And then day 5 is Pump Challenge, and then day 6 is Hardcore Abs, which is a 20-minute workout plus a walk, and then day 7 is your rest day. So what can you expect for Pump Challenge? 20 minutes, pretty wimpy, right? Like, it's only 20 minutes. Well, let me tell you, you are going to run through a sequence of 5 different targeted workouts. You're going to work out your shoulders, your arms, your triceps. You're going to do chest presses, and you're going to do lunges, squats, and deadlifts. Okay, so you are going to get a full body workout in only 20 minutes. And the cool thing is, there's 5 different trainers, and each trainer walks you through a sequence. And I'm going to kind of show you what the workout is. So yeah, if you want more information, if you want to join one of my Les Mills Pump Challenge groups, just get the information right here. Join thefitnesschallenge.com, fill out my free fitness survey, and I'll get back to you. All right, so
Lift it up, bring it up the line, tuck your elbows under.